How to quick kill fire ants. Fire ants are different from regular ants in that if you are stung by one, you will experience severe pain. Reddish-brown in color, fire ants are about 1/8 inch in size. If you find fire ants inside or outside of your home, you likely want to kill them quickly. Although you could set up ant bait to kill the fire ants, it can take up to a week to work. But other methods can kill fire ants instantly. Things you will need: cup laundry detergent, bucket, bar lye soap, long-handled spoon, large pot. Laundry detergent. Pour cup of laundry detergent into a bucket. Add about 1 gallon of hot water. Mix the soap and water thoroughly to form thick suds. Soak the fire ants with the soapy water to kill them instantly. Lye. Fill a large bucket with 5 gallons of hot water. Add bar of lye soap. You can cut this recipe in half if you don't need such a large quantity. Stir the hot water and lye soap mixture constantly until the soap is completely dissolved. Use a long-handled spoon to avoid burning yourself. Drench the ants with the mixture. If you are trying to kill an entire mound of fire ants, pour the mixture in a circle around the mound to keep the ants from getting away. Use a spoon to stir up the ants, then pour the mixture directly onto them. Boiling water. Fill a large pot with water. Place the water on the stove and bring it to a roaring boil. Remove the pot from the heat once the water has been rapidly boiling for a few minutes. The key to killing the ants is to get the water boiling hot. The ants will not drown just from water, so you need to scorch them. Pour the boiling water slowly onto the fire ants or the ant mound. Tips: warnings. Wear rubber gloves and protective eyewear when working with lye soap. Handle it very carefully so it doesn't contact your skin. Lye is caustic and can cause severe burns.